There's a setting in your Galaxy S26 that can completely change how your screen looks, feels, and even how long your battery lasts, and most people never explore beyond the basics. If you've ever felt like your display is too bright, too dull, too small, or just not comfortable to use, the good news is you can customize almost everything. From colors and animations to fonts and touch sensitivity, your Galaxy S26 gives you full control. Hi everyone, my name is Grace. In this video, I will walk you through configuring inbuilt display settings on the new Samsung Galaxy S26. To get started, swipe up from your home screen and open Settings, then scroll down and tap Display. This is where all the magic happens, and once you're inside, you'll see a long list of features you can tweak to match your preferences. Right at the top, you can switch between light mode and dark mode. If you prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, just tap Dark and your entire system will instantly change. If you want more control, tap Dark Mode Settings and schedule it to turn on automatically either from sunset to sunrise or based on your custom time. Just make sure location is turned on if you're using the sunset option. Next, you'll see the brightness slider. You can drag it left to dim your screen or right to make it brighter. If you don't want to keep adjusting it manually, turn on adaptive brightness so your phone automatically adjusts based on your surroundings. And if you ever need extra visibility outdoors, enable extra brightness. Just keep in mind it can use more battery. Another powerful setting is motion smoothness. Tap it and choose between adaptive and standard. Adaptive gives you smoother scrolling and animations with a higher refresh rate, while standard saves battery by lowering it. Don't forget to tap Apply after making changes. If you spend a lot of time on your phone, Eye Comfort Shield is worth turning on. It reduces blue light and makes your screen warmer, which helps reduce eye strain. You can set it to adjust automatically or create a custom schedule. There's even an option to fine-tune the color temperature to your liking. You can also enable Adaptive Color Tone, which adjusts colors and white balance depending on your environment. It makes your display look more natural, though it may use a bit more battery since it relies on sensors. For color preference, tap Screen Mode and choose between Vivid and Natural. If you want deeper colors, go with Vivid, and if you prefer more realistic tones, choose Natural. You can also dive into advanced settings to manually tweak white balance. Now, if text doesn't look right to you, tap Font Size and Style. From here, you can change the font, download new ones, enable bold text, and adjust the size using a slider. Right below that, Screen Zoom lets you resize everything on your display, making icons and interface elements bigger or smaller. You can also control how apps appear around the front camera using Camera Cutout. Choose whether to show it, hide it, or let apps adjust automatically. If your screen turns off too quickly, tap Screen Timeout and choose a longer duration. You can also turn on Keep Screen On while viewing so your display stays awake as long as you're looking at it. For a simpler interface, try Easy Mode. It enlarges text and icons, increases touch delay, and even offers a high-contrast keyboard for better visibility. Another handy feature is Edge Panels. Turn it on to access apps, contacts, and tools with a quick swipe from the side. You can customize which panels appear and even adjust the handle's position and size. When it comes to navigation, tap Navigation Bar. You can switch between traditional buttons or swipe gestures. If you choose gestures, you can fine-tune sensitivity to match your comfort. To prevent unwanted touches, especially when your phone is in your pocket, enable Accidental Touch Protection. And if your screen feels less responsive, turning on touch sensitivity can help, especially if you're using a screen protector. You'll also find Show Charging information, which displays battery details while charging, and Screensaver, which lets you show photos or colors when your phone is plugged in and idle. The best part is every change you make applies instantly, so you can experiment freely until your display feels just right. And that covers everything in this guide. If this helped you personalize your Galaxy S26 for a better viewing experience, give this video a like or check out another tutorial to discover even more hidden features. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Galaxy S26 tips you can use every day.